Welcome to this video on how to read and clear fault codes on a Ford Kuga using the Xdiag Pro 3. First, connect the device to the OBD2 port and open the Xdiag application on your Android device. Select Ford from the list, then perform a system scan to read all stored fault codes. The codes will be displayed with detailed descriptions. Once reviewed, simply choose Clear DTC to erase the faults. The system will confirm when the codes have been successfully cleared, provided the issue is fixed. Follow the video carefully for a successful result.